In this video, we are going to study the three rules that are used for making the ray diagrams for convex lenses. So here I have just drawn the convex lenses. Principal axis I have shown. The two focuses have been shown and the optical center. So I have done it for all the three rules. This much I have kept ready. So according to the first rule, when a incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the refracted ray passes through the principal focus. So here we are going to study the first rule, and according to the first rule, if there is a incident ray that is parallel to the principal axis, so this ray here is parallel to the principal axis, and after refraction it passes through the focus. So you have to make it pass through the focus. So here this is the refracted ray. And this is the incident ray. So this is the first rule. Coming to the second rule. In the second rule, when an incident ray is passing through the principal focus, then the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. So here we have to show a ray that is passing through the first focus. This is the incident ray. It is passing through F1, and after refraction it will become parallel to the principal axis. So it will emerge parallel to the principal axis. This is the refracted ray. So this is our second rule, that is a ray passing through the focus after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. The third and the last rule, if the incident ray is passing through the optical center of the lens, it passes without changing its direction. So here this is the optical center. This is the optical center, and we are going to show a ray passing through it, and it is not going to change its direction. This is the incident ray, this is refracted ray. So this is the third rule, that is a ray passing through the optical center passes without changing its direction. There is no deviation that will take place. So this is incident ray. This is refracted ray. All these diagrams you will draw in your notebooks. The previous two, that is the principal focus for convex and concave lens. Then you will draw the ray diagrams for the rules, all the three rules. Along with the ray diagram, you will write down the rule. The rule is given on page number 82 of your textbook. And after drawing the ray rule, then you will note down the rule in words. So this is what you will repeat for even rule 2 and rule 3.